What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it's still consolidating and going sideways, but it looks as though Ethereum is currently breaking out, and Ethereum does tend to lead the altcoins fairly well with a decent amount of, confluence between their price actions. So we could be looking at Vechain getting a nice little pump over the next few days if Ethereum keeps breaking out. If we just check what Bitcoin's doing, because I actually haven't checked Bitcoin, just see what it's doing right now. It looks as though Ethereum is breaking out, but Bitcoin is actually just, it's still essentially going sideways, holding that 20 moving average like a boss, isn't it? So it looks as though Vechain is actually following what Bitcoin's doing more than Ethereum right now. But you can see Vechain here, it's actually forming up, potentially a very nice bull flag, isn't it? Looking something like this, potentially. If we do see ourselves breaking out to the upside of this would be an absolutely monster move to the upside, wouldn't it? If that was the case, we'd realistically be looking at Vechain coming up over 20 cents to around 21 cents to a really high, a really tasty little move, to be honest, if that was the case. But realistically, what we're looking at is, Vechain's just coming down, it's retesting the 20 on the daily time frame, isn't it? And it's just trying to hold it, and you can see that's kind of what's happening, really. Obviously, we've had a really nice move to the upside. We flipped bullish on our EMAs. We come all the way up, we come back down, and we're just kind of chopping it sideways like this, forming that coiling pattern, potentially for that next leg up. If we do see Ethereum start to move even more, obviously that's going to give a lot of confluence to potentially that upside movement as well for a lot of altcoins, and we think Vechain would probably do a similar thing as well. But Vechain looks as though it's just consolidating right now, which is really good to see, because obviously we had this big move here, consolidation, we've had another big move, and now we're having a nice consolidation. And hopefully we can get that next big move, can't we? Because we've had our high, you could say potentially at least, that we've had our high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we're reversing our trend. But obviously it's not as clean as this downtrend that we saw, which was high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. A very clean downtrend inside that big descending wedge. And we've had our higher high realistically, haven't we, overall? But we do need to see that higher low coming in, and then that higher high for that full trend reversal, which is still a little bit of a concern for Vechain because it hasn't done that, and it hasn't actually broken out of its the range that it did form. When we saw it come down all the way to 5 cents here and then back up to this level here around 16 cents, it's essentially formed a range looking something like this. On the chart, where we've come down to 5 cents, we've come back up to 16 cents or 15 cents here, formed our range. We've actually had that big ascending triangle which everyone thought would bounce to the upside, but we rolled over, and we rolled over again. We come to all the way down here, retest the lows, retest the bottom of the macro channel, get oversold, big bullish divergences, and then we got a really nice bounce to the upside, didn't we? And we have been ever since then not really looking back, have we? We've come all the way up from, what is this, 5.5 cents. We come up, we break the 20, we hit the 55 here, hit our head on it, consolidate between resistance and support between the EMAs, really bullish. Then obviously we ran all the way up here, pretty much almost to the top of our channel. And then since then, we've had a bit of a consolidation, haven't we? And we formed another little range, which is what a lot of cryptos have done. If I just undo these, you can see essentially what's happened here is we've formed a range looking something like this, haven't we? Inside the wider range, where we've just been going sideways, kind of just chopping it up, coiling up potentially to a middle point, where we could be looking at a little move to either side, either the upside or the downside. So Vechain looks as though it is, another day of consolidation. But we are seeing a lot of altcoins start to move and show a lot of strength. So with Vechain being such a good project as we all know that it is, it's very likely, in our opinion, that we're probably going to see a nice little move for Vechain to the upside quite soon, since the market is looking so bullish, especially with Ethereum breaking out. We do think that's a strong precursor for altcoins doing quite well in the near term, because Ethereum is showing a lot of strength. So now that we've got all that out of the way, we can talk about some short-term price predictions. And as we can see here, we've got our 55 coming up, potentially coinciding in the next few days with the bottom of our channel here. So if we did roll over and lose the 20, we do think the 55 coinciding with this little range that we've formed here. This previous swing higher here flipped into this swing low support inside the range. Looking at around, what is this, 11.5 cents, 11 to 11.5 cents is a good level of support that you could put some cheeky bids on for Vechain there, because it probably will get a decent bounce off the 55, coinciding nicely with the range if it did roll over. But obviously, if we do start to come back up to the top of this little range we formed here at around 14 cents to 14.5 cents, we are targeting the top of our range, our overall range, which is coming in at around 15 cents in reality, isn't it? Upwards of around maybe even 16 cents in that area for a short-term price prediction if we do see a pump. So those would be our short-term price predictions. And as we always say, if we take a look at our fib extensions for our whole bull run, which we have here on the chart, coinciding with the bull run most likely ending in the next few months, probably in November, December, January time, we're looking realistically at Vechain coming up to around, what is this? If we look at the top of our channel here, going into November, we're looking at well over $1 in reality. December, January time, if we do hit the top of our channel, looking, maybe even $1, $1.50, $2 for Vechain, coinciding with our fib extension. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.